So satisfying to watch.
Satisfying.
Satisfying. Can we
Satisfying.
I was on fire for you.
Dwarf, wizard, human, hobbits of the Shire. Bring the ring to Mount Doom and I throw it in the fire.
Where they ignite into a quick burning fireball.
As you all know, the Fire Nation attacked and then the Airbender had to save the day. So let's see if that still holds true 2,000 years later.
Though the participants think they're involved in a fiery battle to the death, from the Anger Germ's perspective, one side is a field of flowers and the other a flock of butterflies.
I'm sorry to announce, but the Fire Nation won. That's why we're all enslaved to Kanye West.
Fire or ice, only fate will decide.
It's like putting your ice cream in the freezer, then opening it later only to find it's caught fire.
Fire in the hole!
Now instead of being freezing cold, he's always on fire.
This quick test produced a large cloud of fire from the unburned methane coming out of the engines.
I love the way the fire came out like this way right here. Boom. Look at that.
If fire isn't a solid, liquid, gas, or a plasma, what does that leave?
I don't think there's any stopping this fire.
It's literally raining fire for like a mile.
But don't you still sometimes wonder what fire is?
Fire is one of the greatest inventions of humanity. We use it almost every day. But what is fire?
You might have seen fire described like this in chemistry class, but a chemical formula doesn't explain what fire is any more than a recipe explains what chocolate chip cookies taste like.
Whichever one of you guys starts a fire first gets this badge.
Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire.
You gonna light your sock on fire?
Nothing says you can't do the same. I made fire! And I lost a sock.
But Chef Pee-Pee Doofy made a fire and the fire looks really cool.
Well, making fires doesn't necessarily mean that it's fun and it's safe.
I see fire. Will it burn me?
Probably, because it's a fire.
They learned to control fire.
Look what I have created! I have made fire!
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
So I'm gonna light my farts on fire.
Like the video if you like fire.
What's wrong with the house? Oh my God! It's on fire!
The roof is on fire.
Also breaking right now, it's noon, a massive fire breaking out.
If you haven't noticed, Australia is unfortunately on fire.
Wait, my house is on fire! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Why is the house on fire?
We didn't start the fire. It was always burning since the world's been turning.
Yeah, take that, you fiery bastard!
We didn't start the fire.
Carl started the fire!
This is the hottest fire in the game.
The roof is on fire.
This girl is on fire.
What's the best way to extinguish a dumpster fire? And that is so up my alley. The best way is to throw yourself on it. Call 911.
Somebody call no.
I didn't grow up in a trash fire.
It's on fire!
Oh, it is?
Yo, there's a fire! There's a fire straight up!
Yeah, it's on fire.
She's fire burning on the dance floor.
And we about to set the roof on fire, baby.
The roof is on fire.
Our house is on fire!
Yeah,
What's going on? How did it happen?
I don't know, I gotta put the fire out first. I don't even have a fire.
We don't need no water, let the mother burn.
Well, what happened to the fire truck hose?
Well, look, I don't have a truck, right? So I don't have a hose.
Burn, mother.
Oh, these are to hold the fire.
The fire? What are you talking about?
Yeah, I'm gonna set these little things on fire. Why? No, please don't do that.
You're safe. We got you. Wait.
I'm on fire!
Okay. It's all right, you're not on fire.
I knew it, you're lying! I'm burned!
There is no fire.
That little short is fire burning on the dance floor.
The alcohol is burning, but without fire.
Just like fire.
The sun is not a big ball of hydrogen on fire. Instead, the sun is powered by fusion.
Like this ball of flaming rocks, for example. Holy shit, we just got hit with another ball of flaming rocks.
Fireball.
And it kind of made a mess, which is now...
Love is a burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring.
Okay, well, we don't need to get fire involved.
In a way, fire is like the leaves changing color in fall, the smell of fruit as it ripens, or a firefly's blinking light.
Well, we're gonna get fire involved, I decided.
200 years ago, we dreamed of lighting huge rings of fire in the Sahara Desert to signal our presence.
The Ring of Fire is a horseshoe-shaped area that stretches around the edge of the Pacific Ocean.
I fell into a burning ring of fire.
Around 90% of the Earth's earthquakes happen along the Ring of Fire.
If I put a piece of paper into the fire, you can now observe that it's burning.
He is startled by the fire.
Something looks wrong. I mean, he's running around like he's on fire.
Oh my God, help me! I don't want to die! Oh, stop, drop, and roll!
You're not on fire, Ricky Bobby!
I'm on fire!
You're not on fire! VW has thousands of car fires every year.
Just like fire, just like fire.
And bang rocks together to make pointed rocks. Ouch. And set things on fire. Youch. And make crazy sounds with their voice. Which can mean different things.
That's a human person.
They had fire. One misconception is that fire is a plasma, the fourth state of matter in which atoms are stripped of their electrons.
You could make plasma by microwaving fire. But don't do it.
Like fire, and unlike the other kinds of matter, plasmas don't exist in a stable state on Earth.
But if you want to send a signal across an ocean of space, bonfires and reflected sunlight won't help you much.
Sitting around a campfire, you can feel its heat, smell the woody smoke, and hear it crackle.
Don't let forest fires be your fault. Make sure your fire is dead out.
Now we gotta deal with this fire. Yeah, I agree.
I see fire inside the mountain.
That fire's getting a little close, huh? Fire on the mountain, run, boys, run.
Large areas will get too hot to live and grow food, and forest fires will continue to get far more frequent.
I see fire burning the trees.
Remember, only you can prevent forest fires.
Why did you set this on fire if you had no intention of dealing with the aftermath?
Liar, liar, plants for hire.
It's pants on fire, Patrick.
But how did he get down to his underwear that fast?
Tom Cruise using witchcraft only to get the fire off me!
This girl is on fire.
But whosoever shall say, thou fool, shall be in danger of hell fire.
Fly, go to a lake of fire and fry.
This is the most expensive firework in the entire world, and it cost me over $160,000.
Oh God! Please don't let the invisible fire burn my friend!
He's jumping on Ricky trying to put the non-existent fire out.
It turns out fire isn't actually matter at all. Instead, it's our sensory experience of a chemical reaction called combustion.
And I also bought a $5,000 firework.
There's a fire starting in my heart.
And this big behemoth right here is a $40,000 firework.
Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out.
This pizza is fire.
I soak in my soul in gas and set my heart on fire.
We know that fire results from the combustion of organic material and oxygen.
That thing is on fire.
Woo! I know I'm alive. See ever tries to leave again. I'm tied to the bed and set this house on fire.
Set the bed on fire. Set the bed on fire.
Why are gas flames blue and wood fire orange? And why do flames move in such a mesmerizing way?
I see fire.
want to make a birthday cake with the fire. It looks really cool.
The cake's on fire now. Super dangerous.
No more fire, please.
Try to set the night on
Fire! Oh, wow.
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
When it gets really cold and the switches on the rails start to fail, the railroad tracks are sometimes set on fire.
How's that fire doing? Folks, relax. It's just turbulence. Warm, fiery turbulence.
And on a scientific level, fire differs from gas.
Hey, got a call about a fire?
Yeah, my friend's on fire!
Whether it was auto, home, or life, fire, flood, or earthquake, I just wanted to make people feel safe.
Well, I can't fall asleep and I'm losing my mind, 'cause it's 3:30 and my brain's on fire.
Fire.
Fire!
Fire.
Fire!
Fire.
Fire.
Fire. Fire. Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire. Fire. Fire.
Fire. Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire.
Fire!
Fire.